Welcome everyone to the Fast MBA course. We have a lot of great content and it is our goal to get you up to speed on what to expect from an MBA program. So with that said, let's begin with the overview presentation of the course. What can you expect from this program? Firstly, what is the Fast MBA? It's a course about understanding the why and purpose behind each individual class a student will be taught in their MBA program. Why did we create it? Simply to provide a guide consisting of all key points for each student to read, study, and reference before taking the actual course. Now, who is it for? For individuals starting, attending, or curious about an MBA program, entrepreneurs looking to expand their business expertise, and really anybody interested in business. How is the course structured? We've divided it into 4 sections. First, the introduction, which you're seeing now, functional, management, and analytical. Each video is done through voiceover PowerPoints and are all straight to the point and about 4 to 7 minutes each. In the introduction section, there's terminology worksheets that we've provided for you to download that are going to be easy reference for all the definitions of key concepts that you'll be seeing in each of the videos. Here's how we've designed for each video to be structured to present all the information. First, we'll have a basic slide, which will provide all the key concepts covered by your MBA program for that specific subject. Next, we'll have the why slide. It'll explain why MBA programs are studying that specific topic. After that, we're looking at the purpose slide, which is just a further exploration of the why. Next, we'll have a takeaway slide, which will present the best applicable information learned from the course. And depending on the video, some slides will be different, providing additional content such as diagrams, charts, etc. Lastly, you'll have the course experience slide, which you'll get to hear from our personal experience going through that course. So that's it, ladies and gents, what you can expect from the Fast MBA. We'll see you in the first video of the course.